Unit 5.8, sketching graphs of derivative. Focus on the slope of f. The slope of f is the y value of f prime. So for example A, this is graph f. It's asking us a graph f prime. We know this slope is negative, so it's decreasing. We know this minimum is our critical point. We know this maximum is also our other critical point. We know this part of the slope is increasing and this part is decreasing. So the maximum and minimums, or critical points, are going to be where on f prime, where the line crosses 0. So the line's going to have to cross 0 through this point and this point on this graph. Because on the f prime all the negative values are underneath 0 and all the positive ones are on top above 0, this whole line down here is going to have to come from down here because it's negative. This is decreasing, so this is negative. This part is positive, so as we cross this circle or this dot, we have to be in the positive now, which we are. And then it's going to go back down to decreasing, so we have to move back down to this point, so when we touch it we can go back down to negative. For example B, this part of the graph is increasing and then you hit a corner, and after that you hit what looks like it's a decreasing line, but in reality this is a slope of -1. So I actually messed up big time on this one. Because it's increasing, you have to be on the top half of the graph, so it's positive. And because it's a corner, it actually doesn't exist at that specific point, so it's an open circle. And this is a slope of 1/1, but now that I'm looking at it, it's -1/1. So you find where y equals -1, which is about here, and you have to put an open circle because the point doesn't exist there, and you just draw a line straight across that value. So the graph is going to look something like this.